Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 7 of my top favorite products right now. These are including beauty, a wellness product, hair care, and skincare. The first product that I want to share with you guys is this Luxe Untie the Knots. And this is a leave-in conditioner by the brand, and y'all, I really love this entire brand, but didn't want to include every single product from the brand that I've tried because I love them all, you know, for the sake of not making this video too long. But I do really like this leave-in. I do have type 4 natural hair, so I feel that this really moisturizes my hair, and I actually used it to style my hair for this braid and curl right here. I love this whole brand, y'all. And Luxe is black owned, was created and owned by a black woman. If you have not before, check out Luxe. But yeah, so y'all have seen Luxe before featured on my channel, so it's still in my top faves. Majority of these are going to be favorites from 2020 that I'm bringing with me into 2021. Next hair care product is Sunday to Sunday. And I really love this brand as well. I was just introduced to this one last year. And so this Root Refresh is one of my favorites. Really helps me to make my styles last in between washes. So I love this for that. I haven't been consistent lately with the gym, but if you do work out pretty often and need something to refresh your hair in between exercising, this is also a super good product for that. And again, just between washes, because y'all, going into 2021, I am still trying to wash my hair a bit less, just to see more growth. I used to wash it like once a week, but yes, I have been cutting back on washing. And y'all, this is also a black owned brand as well. Y'all have seen this before. I used this product when I had my faux locks installed to help them last, and I'm planning on getting some braids soon, so I will be using it then as well. Now on to skincare. One of my favorite moisturizers, you guys, is the Glossier Priming Rich Moisturizer. So y'all, I actually saved this empty container for the sake of this video because I have used it all up. I love Glossier. Right now, Glossier can only be purchased online. They aren't sold in any stores except for when they were having the Glossier pop-ups, and that is how I became familiar with Glossier. Last year they had a pop-up here in Atlanta and invited me. I was excited to work with them for that, but I had never tried the brand before, so that was my first time being able to snag some products. And y'all, I fell in love. I love Glossier so much. Like, I haven't tried anything from the brand yet that I don't like, but this just makes it in my top faves. Next is another Glossier product, you guys, and it is the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. This cleanser is great, honestly, for all types of skin, because I have combination skin. I have sometimes dry patches on my face, but at the same time my skin is super oily. This is excellent for my type of skin. Like, it actually helps balance it out. And you know how some moisturizers make your face feel really dry or just kind of dry you out? This does not do that at all. This is always a go-to. I still, you know, try other cleansers here and there because I try a lot of new products. I'm an influencer, that's what we do. But this is just always the one that I normally go back to. I love this so much. As far as taking makeup off, I do like to use a makeup wipe first, and then I go in with this to make sure, just kind of a double cleanse, I guess. But yeah, when it comes to taking off makeup, you always just want to use like makeup wipes or oil or something first, and then go in with your cleanser. And y'all, I'm gonna have all of these products linked below. So next I'm going to be doing lip care. Again, saved both of these. This has a little bit left in it. I think this one does. I don't know if y'all use lip masks, but I love using them, especially at night. Sometimes during the day I just use a little bit as chapstick as well. But this Bite Beauty Agave lip masks are one of my favorite. I think I started using this last year. I'm not 100% sure, but I have been sticking with these since then. Like, I literally love these. They are really thick, which is why it's called a lip mask. So if you don't like super thick products on your lips, don't buy it. You know how some chapsticks, I feel like they just kind of sit on top of the lips and don't necessarily soak in and do what they're supposed to be doing. and like heal the chapped lips. This actually soaks in and healed your chapped lips. And this can be purchased at Sephora or online at the Bite Beauty website. But I normally just run to Sephora and purchase mine. So yeah, love these, y'all. So if you were looking for a high quality lip mask, this is the one for you. So next is the Marc Jacobs lip lacquer. And y'all, this is a staple for me. I take this everywhere. So this is in the color Pink Flamingo. And y'all, I used to be so big on using the MAC lip glosses. Like, I used to use those faithfully, but I actually haven't purchased any in a while since I've started using the Marc Jacobs one. I like that it can be worn on its own and be really cute, or, you know, put it over a lipstick or whatever and just give it some shine. I honestly just continue to go back and buy this. I have not tried a different lip gloss in a while, y'all. I might try a different one just to try it one day. My Marc Jacobs has not failed me. Love this. It is also very moisturizing. It's worth the money. It's not too pricey to me. I can't remember exactly how much it is, but again, it can be purchased at Sephora. And then y'all, last I'm going to do one wellness type product. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the honey pot, but I am new to the honey pot. I actually just started using them towards the end of last year, and I am so glad that, you know, I have finally tried the products. So I use like the wash, the cleanser, and then I also purchased these boric acid and herbs. So y'all, these are so good. So a lot of us women suffer with BV sometimes, and if you don't know what that is, that's bacterial vaginosis. So for me, if that flares up for myself, I normally do have to go to the doctor and get like a prescription and something to, you know, actually kill that. But y'all, this is actually super helpful. I read about these online, tried them, and it is a plant-based, created with plant-based ingredients. So that's super cool. Basically, it's like these little depositories, or y'all, I'm not even sure how to say it, but you put them on this applicator that it comes with, and then yeah, you just insert it inside of your vajayjay. So these really help. And so they actually say that you can use them like 7 days in a row, but when I tell you, these are pretty pricey as well. You can get these at Target, but I don't even need to use them the whole 7 days myself, because they're pretty like strong and work pretty fast. But it's not recommended that you use them long term. So if you do have like a long term issue, then you do need to go to the doctor. But for me, like I said, sometimes it just flares up after certain activities, or or just coffee sometimes can throw my pH off. Certain foods you eat can throw pH off. So this is just super good for helping to balance your pH levels in your vajayjay. Y'all, if you check these out, let me know. Really, if you check any of this stuff out, let me know. I definitely recommend the honey pot. This is also a black owned company. I think it was last summer when it was something happening where somebody was trying to put out on the internet, don't support them, and I meant to go purchase some products then because I knew it was black owned, and I was just like, we need to support the brand, you know. But yeah, so I finally have tried it and I am in love, y'all. Honey pot is worth every penny. So y'all, that is pretty much all of my favorites from 2020 that I have carried with me over into the new year, that I am so happy to be in. I hope everybody is having a great 2021 so far. If you do try any of these products, let me know. Message me if you have any questions about any of them. Let me know as well. But before I go, you guys, I do want to mention my jewelry that I'm wearing, my necklace. I mentioned it in my last video as well. If you have not seen that, go watch. But this is in collab with Taudrey jewelry, you guys. I collabed with them. It is a small woman-owned jewelry company down in Miami, and I got to come up with my own custom piece, and y'all, it's on sale until February, or the end of February. If you haven't seen it, this is what it looks like. It's so cute, y'all. I literally wear this so much. Like, I wear it almost every day. Every time that I get dressed, pretty much. It is a necklace that can definitely be dressed up or down. So I'm going to have this link below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.